Introducing the offset function. So imagine we have this cell here, C11, and we'd like to obtain the value of this cell, which is 2 rows down, 2 columns over. So a somewhat trivial example here, but to illustrate the offset. So equals offset. As you see here, returns a reference to a range. This given number of rows and columns from a given reference. So the given reference in this case is going to be this cell here, C11. And when it says return a reference, we want to return the value that's here, again, 2 rows down and 2 columns over. So there's our reference, and I'll pull up the dialog box for it. The rows, we'll use cell references here so we can copy this. Okay, so go down to rows. So again, it's 2 rows down is a positive number. It's going to go down, and 2 columns to the right. And the height and width are optional. If you only want to obtain a single value from a cell, that is from a single cell, we would leave those blank. So again, it's going to look 2 rows down and 2 columns to the right. If these were negative numbers, if you had negative rows, it would go up the number of rows, and if you had negative columns, it would go to the left that number. So there's our 144. Again, 2 down, 2 over, and we built this so we can actually, I need to lock in that C11 so we can copy it down. Right, so I'll just copy that down. Okay, so you see if it's 0 and 0 for the offset, we actually get the same value. If it's 1 row down, 3 over, we get 9. If it's 4 rows down and 1 over, we get the 2240260. If it's a negative 2, it's going to go up. So 2 rows up and then 3 over, which would be the 6. And in this case, the last one here is 3 rows down, and then the column's negative, so it's going to go to the left too. We get charitable giving. And I'll just hit F2 so we can see that. So that's our quick introduction of offset.